Hi guys, welcome to Estrogen Express. So in today's video we are making a super easy and super delicious chocolate walnut brownies. So let's start. Here are the list of ingredients we are using for the recipe. So I'll start by melting dark chocolate and butter together in a double boiler. Once this melts, we'll keep it aside for some time to cool down. Then we'll add the dry ingredients. So we'll add flour, baking powder and baking soda. Sifting is really important in the recipe as it will make your brownies soft and airy. Then we'll add some milkmade and vanilla essence. Then I'll mix the batter with a spatula in a cut and fold method. So now we'll add some milk and mix it properly. So now I'm adding the last ingredient, which is chopped walnuts, and giving it a little mix. Now our brownie batter is ready, and we'll take a square tin and grease it properly with butter and pour the mixture in the tin. I'll bake it in a 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes. So now our chocolate walnut brownie is ready. You can see how soft and airy it is. You can serve this with chocolate sauce or vanilla ice cream. Do try this recipe and let us know about it in the comment section below.
Thank you.
If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is @estrogenexpress. Thanks for watching.